Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the left speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the left speaker to the top cover. Remove the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the left speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Replace the 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the left speaker to the top cover. Connect the left speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.